Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your Tecno Spark 6 Go. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Tecno Spark 6 Go and you are wondering how to block someone in your phone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, I went to dial manager, and here we're going to see all our incoming call or outgoing call. For example, I would like to block this person from my phone, so I'm not going to receive any phone calls or any text messages from him. If you want to block, you need to long press over there, and then we're going to see all these options appear. If you want to block, you can easily click this, block this number, and then you're going to receive a confirmation message. If you want to block, you can easily click, or if you decide to cancel, you can click here cancel. But for this video purpose, I'm going to block this person. So from now, if this person going to be call me, or if he's sending me any text message, I'm not going to receive from him. Now let me share it too. You might be decide to return him from block list, or you would like to see all your block list in your phone. In order to do that, you need to click here this dial pad and click this three dot. After click over there, you need to click here setting. After click over setting, we're going to see here something say block number. Here we're going to see all our block number list going to be appeared. If you decide to remove that person from block list, you can easily cross. For example, this 22 number I would like to remove from my block list. If you click this cross icon, also there's going to be a confirmation message. You can easily click here unblock. So from now also this person, I'm going to receive a call and text messages. So this is how you can easily block or unblock someone in your Tecno Spark 6 Go. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.